Have you ever found yourself eyeing a significant purchase, consolidating debt, or needing funds for an unexpected expense, and wondered if your innovative financial platform, M1 Finance, could be the answer to your borrowing needs? It's a question many M1 users, and even those considering the platform, often ask. We all know M1 Finance for its intelligent investing, automated portfolios, and commission-free trading. But what about personal loans? Can M1 Finance provide that essential capital when you need it most, without disrupting your carefully crafted investment strategy? Today, we're diving deep into the world of M1 Finance and its loan offerings, specifically focusing on personal loans. We'll explore whether they exist, how they work, who qualifies, and what makes them unique in the vast landscape of personal finance. So, if you're looking to unlock the potential of your financial ecosystem within M1, stay tuned, because this is going to be an incredibly insightful journey. For a long time, M1 Finance was primarily known for its borrow feature, which provided margin loans against your investment portfolio. This was, and still is, a fantastic tool for investors who want to access liquidity without selling their assets. Imagine you need cash for a down payment on a house, or to cover a sudden medical bill, but you don't want to liquidate your investments and potentially incur capital gains taxes or miss out on market growth. M1's margin loan was the perfect solution, a flexible line of credit secured by your portfolio, often at a very competitive interest rate. It's essentially buy, borrow, die in action, leveraging your assets to meet short-term needs while your investments continue to grow. However, a margin loan isn't always the right fit for everyone or every situation. Not everyone has a substantial investment portfolio to borrow against, or perhaps they prefer not to collateralize their investments. This is where the concept of a personal loan comes into play, an unsecured loan based on your creditworthiness, not your assets. And for a while, M1 Finance didn't directly offer a traditional, unsecured personal loan. Their focus was firmly on margin. But the financial landscape is constantly evolving, and so are the offerings of innovative platforms like M1 Finance. So, the burning question remains, can users now get personal loans in M1 Finance? The answer, as of recent developments, is yes. M1 Finance has indeed expanded its borrowing capabilities to include unsecured personal loans. This is a significant move that broadens their appeal and provides a more comprehensive financial solution for their users. It means M1 is moving beyond just investment-backed borrowing to offer a more traditional, yet still M1-flavored, personal loan product. Let's break down what these M1 personal loans are all about. First and foremost, M1 personal loans are designed to be multipurpose, fixed-rate loans. This is a crucial distinction. Multipurpose means you can use the funds for almost anything. We're talking about debt consolidation, a fantastic way to streamline multiple high-interest debts into one manageable payment with a potentially lower interest rate. Or perhaps you're planning some home improvements, a major purchase like an RV or a boat, or need to cover moving costs, special occasions, or even medical bills. The flexibility here is a huge advantage. The fixed-rate aspect is equally important. Unlike variable-rate loans where your interest rate can fluctuate with market conditions, an M1 personal loan offers a stable interest rate throughout the life of the loan. This means your monthly payments will remain consistent, providing predictability and making it easier to budget and plan your repayment strategy. This stability can be a huge relief, especially in today's unpredictable economic climate. Now, let's talk about the key features that set M1 personal loans apart. One of the most attractive aspects is their commitment to absolutely no fees. That's right, M1 boasts no origination fees, no late fees, and no prepayment penalties. This is a significant advantage over many traditional lenders who often tack on these extra costs, which can eat into your borrowed amount or penalize you for paying off your loan early. M1's no-fee policy aligns with their overall philosophy of transparency and putting the client first. So, how much can you actually borrow with an M1 personal loan? The typical range is from $2,500 up to $50,000. This range makes it suitable for a variety of needs, from smaller expenses to more substantial financial undertakings. The exact amount you qualify for will, of course, depend on your individual creditworthiness, income, and other factors that M1, or rather, their banking partner B2 Bank NA, who furnishes these loans, assesses during the application process. Speaking of the application, M1 aims for a quick and straightforward process. You can typically apply directly through the M1 app or website. To check your potential rates and terms, M1 performs a soft credit check, which is fantastic because it doesn't impact your credit score. This allows you to explore your options without any commitment or worry about dinging your credit. If you decide to proceed and accept an offer, a hard credit check will then be performed, which may affect your credit score, as is standard practice with most loan applications. The repayment terms for M1 personal loans are generally flexible, ranging from 2 to 7 years. This allows you to choose a repayment schedule that aligns with your financial goals and ability to pay. A longer term will result in lower monthly payments but potentially more interest paid over the life of the loan, while a shorter term means higher monthly payments but less interest overall. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.